Scientists believe they have the solution to get rid of hiccups. It's a $14 straw, which according to the doctor's research cures hiccups 9 out of 10 times. The doctor from the University of Texas says using the Hic-Away will reset your diaphragm, which is the muscle under your rib cage that pulls air into your lungs. If it spasms, that's when hiccups occur. The doctor says the straw is designed and inspired by McDonald's McFlurry straw, and that's where a lot of people might have a few issues. Have you ever tried to get a McFlurry?
No.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't
the McFlurry machine doesn't work, and the straw doesn't work. So
you know what you do.
I don't know.
You know what you do with the straw.
Right. I'm not sure. We'll see. But stay tuned to see if your hiccups are cured by the straw.
I'll continue to hold my breath.
That's what I do, and
All
it
right.
works.